Hi AJ, it's John from Wayne Phillips Automotive. Just doing a quick virtual demo as requested on the Holden Commodore SS. It's a Redline. I'll just show you the outside of the car first. Tyres are in very good condition. Paintwork is also in excellent condition. Just show you in the back here. Leather is in A+ condition. Air vents in the back for the kids. Roof lining A1 condition as well. Jump in the driver's seat. Car's like brand new. I'll start the car up for you. Automatic, electric park brake, and it looks like I need to pop some fuel in it. That's a bit of a look inside the vehicle, AJ, and a bit of a look outside as well. If you've got any more questions, I look forward to having a chat with you.